Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have IPSY versus IPSY, Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. This is for May. Do you want to know what's inside my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I now have both of my bags that I can show you. Now, last month, if you watched my Plus, I told you I did cancel, so I do not have Plus this time. This is the first time since Plus even came out that I don't have a Plus box, but I did cancel, and I canceled these. One goes until I think August, and the other one goes until September. So I will have them for a few months because I did prepay for an entire year. But after that, I will be taking a break from IPSY, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get into my main profile, because one is off of my main profile, which I tell you guys I don't think they're going off of anyways. One is my main profile, and then one is set to anything and everything, which I call my side chick. So let's go ahead and get into my main profile. One thing I'm seeing is this bag is really cute, very summery with the ombre pink to yellow tones to it. I think that's very pretty, and both of them are exactly the same. That's my side chick. So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what we have. And I know the thing that I chose was a Tarte product, and I chose it for both because there were two different colors. So that's the item that I ended up choosing. So Get That Glow, May 2020. It looks like this is our theme. And there's nothing in here. It says highlighter 101. It did start having the products on here, and if it was a full size, if it wasn't a full size, what the full size would be, all that information was on here, and now it's not. So let's go ahead and start. This first one here is Pearlies, which I really like this brand. This is coconut oil and plumeria silk body butter, and there's that. And this is a really good size to toss in your purse or your gym bag, your backpack, or your lunchbox, whatever. And then you have a little bit of lotion with you if you ever do need it. So, and again, I do really like this brand. So I'm really excited so far for item number one. Now we have, looks like a nail polish, and my normal profile is set to I don't do anything with nails. And I always get nail polish. So here is a nice little lavender. It's called Lilac Grove is the color. And that is what it looks like. Very pretty, but I don't do anything with my nails, as my profile states. And then what is this? Let me guess. This is a liquid liner, because that's what I always get, right? Yes, Ciate London Fierce Flicks. And this is a liquid liner, so that will go to one of you guys because I don't use liquid. Now the product that I chose was the Tarte H2O Gloss. And this one is in, doesn't even tell me, does it tell me the color? Sail Away. So this is in Sail Away. Ooh. It's just a nice little light pink tinge to it. Very, 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 very small. Like very, very small. All right, Tarte, I see you. So there's a lip gloss, and then the last item that came in this one is right here. And this is by Space Cosmetics. And this is a single eyeshadow, and the color is Intense Stargasm. Ooh, Stargasm. We do get this brand a lot in IPSY, and there's that. Let me open that. That looks like a very pretty, even like to put like on my lower lid, because I know there are some shadows that I go to use and they do not have a nice little light shimmery color. So I end up having to grab like another palette, but it's right there. I think that would look really nice as my lower lid. So I'm definitely gonna hang on to this and put this in my little single drawer, single shadow drawer. And when I have like an all matte and I want that, then I can grab that and use that, because that's very pretty. I actually like that. I think that would look really nice as a lower lid shadow. So that is everything that came in this. Other than the fact of these two items that I always say, and they even told me that they would put a special note in my profile saying no liquid liners. So these two I don't use, so one of you guys would be able to enjoy that. This, I like having a little lip gloss, especially you can toss it in your purse. It's small. You don't have to worry about losing a full-size item. This single shadow I'm really impressed with. And then we have the Pearlies lotion. So all in all, not a bad bag. Let's go ahead and get into my side chick and see what she has to offer this month. And this is probably going to be the same thing, right? Yep, highlighter 101. So there's nothing inside the card. The bag is exactly the same. And I forgot to show you guys, the inside is like a yellowish gold, like a goldish yellow color, a golden sun color inside. This one has the same Pearlies lotion, so I'll set one of these aside for one of you guys to try. This one also has the Ciate London liquid liner, so this will go set aside for one of you guys to try. This one has the Tarte lip gloss that I chose, and this one's in the color Hang 10. This one looks like it's a little bit lighter. Actually, they almost look like they're exactly the same color. This is the one that I just put on. That's the one from my other bag. Even though there's different colors, they look exactly the same. So there's that guy. Then inside here is a IPSY by Petra. Is this a blush? This is a fresh face blush in Beach Rose. And I'm not gonna open it because you guys, if you follow me, you know I don't do anything with blush at all. Ever. So I will go ahead and save this for one of you guys to enjoy, but that is a nice one, and I do like IPSY by Petra. And then the last item in here is a roller lash by Benefit. Super curling and lifting mascara. So we have a mascara sample here, and this again is by Benefit, and it's in the color black. And that's what the packaging looks like. And then when you open her up, it's a nice little, small little wand. That's nice. I like using these kind, especially for my lower lid. My lower lashes, to get into these little tiny things here. But I will definitely try this out, and if it's a good one, then I can get the full size. So that is everything that I have for you guys. For my second side chick, we have these same two items, which this one I have it to say anything and everything. So I never complain if I get something like this because this one's open to everything. So if it's not something I'm comfortable with, then I say for you guys. So these three items right here will go to one of you guys. And then I have a little Tarte lip gloss and then a little mascara sample to try out, and then one of the bags will go to one of you guys as well. So that is everything that I have for my IPSY versus IPSY. Did you guys get IPSY? Do we have any of the same products? Are we bag twins with either one, my main or my side chick? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.